Okay, afternoon, everybody. I'm already done with the day. Um, Good afternoon. Welcome to the Setup channel, where we do live streams, live trading, and today we're going to be talking about AI. So my name is Niku. Those of you that haven't been here, maybe it's your first time watching. We're going to be talking about AI today. We're going to look at two different things. We're going to look at the AI functionality with PO Broker. We're going to take some trades using AI, and I'll explain that as we go along. And secondly, we're going to look at AI like ChatGPT, um, how it can help us with our trading, how it can help us learn. And we're going to look at all of that as well. So, as always, those of you trading with PO Broker, I do have a promo code for you today for an 80% deposit bonus from as little as $10 deposit. Your promo code today is AI80. So you can use that if you need to make a deposit. You can take advantage of the 80% deposit bonus. So yeah, without any further ado, let's head to the charts. Guys, while we're busy with the video, please feel free to jump into the chat, say hello, ask questions. If there's something that's unclear, please ask the questions. We can address it while we're here. So yeah, let's go to the charts and have a look quickly. First, I want to look at, we're going to look at the PO Broker's AI functionality. So I don't have it enabled at the moment. I disabled it because I wanted to show you guys how we can, if it's not enabled on your platform, where you can find it. We're going to go to your profile here. We're going to open this up, and then we're going to go to settings and trading mode. You will see there's an AI trading mode. So we're just going to select that and close our settings. Now we've got an AI trading button right in between our buy and sell buttons. So the AI on PO Broker analyzes a bunch of different things. And when you click AI trading, the AI will decide what is the most likely outcome. It will determine a length of the trade. It won't always be the same. Sometimes it'll be a minute, sometimes 3 minutes, depending on what you're trading. If you're trading OTC assets, we have expiry times on OTC assets as short as 5 seconds. So it can vary depending on the asset. We can't trade expiry times lower than 1 minute on the normal Euro USD, for example, but we can trade lower expiries on OTC assets. We will look at both in a second. So just also just want to add to you guys, this is not flawless. This is not a magic thing that will cause you to never ever lose a trade again. Even AI gets it wrong. The market is unpredictable. So just as we have strategies that are profitable over time, but we do have losing trades, and we do have bad days, so the AI functionality can also get trades wrong. In general, it is decent, but please be responsible. Do not trade massive amounts because you're using an AI functionality. Be responsible in your trading sizes and stuff like that. It's not a flawless thing. There will, in my opinion, there will never be anything that will give you a 100% win rate. So for the purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to lower my trade size a bit than we normally do. You will also notice when I click on trading now, in a second, it's going to ask me for, actually, let's just go through it. It's going to ask me to enable AI trading mode. Simple click. And if I select do not show this message again, this will not come up. So when I click on open trade now, you will see that the AI will open a trade automatically for me. And if you do not want this to come up every time, you just have to click this, tick that button there. And we're going to select open a trade. And right, so the AI took a buy for me for 3 minutes. We'll sit and see, and we'll see how this plays out. 3-minute buy might not have been the best idea because we did have some hidden divergence, hidden bearish divergence on the 10 seconds, but it's a 3-minute trade. It could still very well play out. And we'll just sit and give it a second. But this is how the trading works. You do not see the decisions though that the AI makes. I'm going to switch to OTC here and just give you guys an idea of how the time frames differ. It's not always the same. Like I said, it's not always the same time frame. So let's say it took a 15-second buy there for me, and it's, there we go. Good trade. Simple as that. Okay, so but again, please do not trade irresponsibly with massive trade sizes and stuff like that. Please do not do all-in trades on your account. It's a bad idea to do it no matter what strategy you're using. So we're never going to do all-in trades and stuff like that. It is gambling. It's not the right way of doing it. But we can but that's how AI trading works on PO Broker. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to analyze the chart. The AI does everything for you. It determines the time frame, and it determines the most likely profitable trade for you. Let's do another one quick. So we did this time it took a 30-second trade on, it took a 30-second sell trade here on Euro USD OTC. This one is still running. Let's see what happens with this. Because this is an OTC chart, just want to show you guys while this is running, I can set expiry times from 5 seconds, 15, 30. Whereas on the real market, we only have anything upwards from 1 minute. Okay, so this trade lost. We lost the trade with on OTC here. This one's looking good as well. The 1 minute trade on the 3-minute trade buy we took on the real Euro USD. You see, we've got 20 seconds left there. Hey, TJK, how are you? Good to see you. Okay, so this looks like this might go in for us. Okay, so we took 3 trades with using AI, 2 on OTC, 1 on the real market. We won 2 of those trades, which is actually pretty awesome. But yes, it is a functionality you guys can use. It is available. But again, please, I'm going to say this again, just please trade responsibly. Please do not think that you can now just do a bunch of all-in trades and you will be rich by the end of the day. It doesn't work that way. Please exercise good and proper money management. Okay. So that's the AI trading functionality with PO Broker. Now let's quickly have a look. I'm going to pop over to the data releases that's coming quickly. This is going to be in an hour's time. So please keep in mind, we do have some major data events coming out. The main refinancing rate. If there are any surprises with this figure here today, we're going to see massive movement on the euro. And it's impossible to say before the time what it will be. Please exercise caution, don't get caught off guard. And then 15 minutes later, we have the GDP and the unemployment claims coming down from the US. So please exercise caution. And yeah, let's have a quick look at how AI can help us learn about trading, learn about strategies, learn about good and bad habits that we have, or that traders have. This is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free. You can use this. You can just create an account and actually use ChatGPT. It is free. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys quickly some of the things we can do. And I do encourage you guys to go play with this. Learn something, if you're unsure about things, instead of asking a bunch of people, ChatGPT will never lie. It does make mistakes sometimes. It's getting better almost every day, but it does make mistakes, but it will never lie to you. So let's have a quick look at the different ways we can use this to help with our trading knowledge. Let's do this. Please explain how the RSI works in trading. Very simple question. And let's see what ChatGPT says. So it's telling us how it works, what it does. It's showing us the formula or how it's calculated if you are into those things. It's giving us how to interpret RSI levels, how it can be used in trading. In a nutshell. And you can do this for any type of indicator. I wouldn't say you can use, like, if you find a super custom indicator that somebody wrote that's only available in one place, you won't get a lot of information on this. But any of the stuff that's been around for years, like the RSI, the stochastic, stuff like that, you will be able to find information on it. And I'm going to show you guys one of my absolute favorite things to do with ChatGPT. Sometimes if you start asking technical stuff, ChatGPT tends to give you very technical answers as well. So sometimes I don't understand what it's telling me, and then I'll just do this. Don't quite understand everything. Could you explain it to me like I'm 10 years old? And it will break the information that it gave you. It will break it down in much simpler terms, so it's very easy to, a lot easier to understand. And like I said, you can use this for anything, for any indicators, stuff like that. Let's have a look at trading strategies. If ChatGPT can help us with that. Thank you. That helped. Now, could you please give me, let's go for 3 examples of popular trading strategies. And we want to focus specifically for short-term trading. So short-term trading will be intraday traders. So it will be, it shouldn't be like for 1 hour and 4 hour charts. Let's see what she gives us. Okay, so scalping is not a strategy. Momentum trading. Okay, so sometimes, like I mentioned, sometimes chat doesn't understand the question properly. So she's giving, at the moment, she's giving us examples of short-term trading, but she's not giving us any strategies. But we'll fix that in a second. It's not quite what I meant. I meant I needed trading strategies. Prompting can sometimes get a little tricky because you need to be clear. Popular trading strategies to determine when to enter trades. Okay, so now we're going to get, she's giving us actual trading strategies. We're doing the RSI overbought, oversold. Personally, I'm not a fan. Moving average crossover strategy. Teacher K, yes, I saw your message now a little bit late, but I'm hoping this actually answers your question. I'm doing this. We're doing both of these. Well, I think I'm doing what you asked as well, order types and strategies and such. And I'm just gonna I just quickly want to demo what you can do. You guys can go and sit and chat with ChatGPT, by yourself. If there's anything specific you guys need to know and stuff like that. I'm just trying to get people to understand that there's so much available out there that can help us with our trading. And a lot of people don't even, I still speak to people that doesn't even know ChatGPT exists. And we in a really, this is a awesome time to be alive, in a technological sense. Okay, so ChatGPT gave us three trading strategies. And you can refine that as well. You can ask to give you like 3 or maybe 5 examples of momentum strategies or reversal strategies or strategies involving different strategies involving Bollinger Bands, for example, or the ADX, stuff like that. You can go and refine that. We did speak in the previous video on how we build a strategy. And I did mention to you guys that you must never ever just simply use a strategy that you find from any source, whether it's from me, whether it's from ChatGPT, doesn't matter where you hear it from. You must always test it, make sure that it's profitable and that somebody is not giving you bad information. So please do not simply accept stuff that you get here, but test it. But on average, ChatGPT is pretty awesome with this. There's also an AI called Claude Sonnet, which is also pretty good, also free. And then we all know DeepSeek launched a short while ago. You can go and use that as well. There's a lot of AIs. Google has Gemini. There's a bunch available. Okay, so we got it to explain how an indicator works. We got it to explain strategies. Let's ask about habits. What are mistakes that we make, especially new traders? Could you list some of the mistakes traders tend to make, especially new traders, and also offer solutions to these mistakes? Maybe also list some good habits to have. And this is something we can use to see if we are the stuff we're doing wrong. I'm pretty sure that if you're watching this, there's 1 or 2 things that you will maybe see that you will go, I actually do that. Trading is, a lot of people think trading is just about having a strategy and clicking a button. It is not. It's a lot of discipline. It's a lot of training. It's a lot of learning. And this is brilliant advice. Stick to your trading plan. You must have a trading plan. Use stop loss and risk management. That's more for Forex, but yes, trade with a clear mind. Revenge trading, don't do that. Learn from mistakes, stuff like that. Okay, so that was a quick example of how AI can help us learn. And anybody can use this. You can ask questions in whatever way you want, and you can ask for clarification, stuff like that. And you can ask to explain more. Suppose you want to know, a good habit is stick to your trading plan, don't make random trades. That's good advice, but a lot of people don't know what a trading plan is. You actually spelled it perfectly, teacher. That's the correct way. Claude Sonnet. A lot of people might not know how to construct a trading plan. And then you can just ask her, could you please explain what a trading plan is, stuff like that. Okay, so that's how we can use AI in trading. There's so much information available to us today, and so many ways to access it. So make use of it. You can You can even go as far as if you want to build your own strategy, you can go to ChatGPT and start and ask for help. Um, I'm not sure if I should tell people this. I am actually using a couple of AIs at this moment to help me design my own AI that I can run locally on my machine to help me monitor charts. This is not going to be a trading thing. It's simply going to look at charts and try to spot things that I might miss. But I don't have any knowledge on coding at all. I don't know Java, I don't know C++, stuff like that. But there's AIs that can help me with that and that can help me code. So I'm actually able I was actually able to start doing this, and it's something that I'm working on. And this is something anybody can do. You just need to like take the initiative. If try to find ways to improve your trading, get the right information and the right habits, get that developed. Let's go here. It is too quick. The information is available to us. Right. Is there anything that I maybe explained that you guys are unclear about, that I could clarify or try to clarify at least? Please don't be shy to ask questions. I would love to hear any questions. I love the interactions. It's always awesome. And so yeah, that's AI. We have the AI trading functionality on PO Broker, and we can use that responsibly. Please, always responsibly. And then make use of things like ChatGPT and stuff like that. Okay, teacher, keep well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Always appreciate it. But yeah, it really is a beautiful time to be alive. The technology is making our lives so much easier today. There's simply no reason well, there's no excuse to say I don't know, or I don't have the knowledge to do something. We can find anything today. It used to be Google used to be the big thing. I would Google it. I don't think it's going to be too long before some or other AI is going to become a verb as well, and we're going to refer to. Let's take DeepSeek was a big announcement earlier this year, took the world by storm. So I will not be surprised if, I'm not saying this is going to be with DeepSeek, but something similar. But we're going to end up saying, I don't know the information. I'm just going to DeepSeek it quick, something like that. Like I'm going to Google it quick. We're going to go to an AI we're going to start using AI like that in mass in the future. But for now, a lot of people seem to be unaware of actually how powerful it has become and how easily accessible it is. It's so accessible today. It's ridiculous how easy it is to get hold of the information and stuff like that. Let's do a few trades with the AI and see what happens. I'm just going to take a click. Okay, so this took a 1 minute 30-second sell for me. Let's see what happens. Let's go to closed. So we did 3 trades with AI so far today. And looks like it got this one wrong. But there's still a minute left. And you can see the little AI icon there on the screen next to the trade history. It shows me that this trade was taken by AI. So it's very easy if you do manual trading and AI trading in between, or intertwined. What's the word? You can go later and see, because it's something you always have to keep an eye on. It's AI. This will be count as a strategy. So you'll have to keep an eye on, the win rates and stuff like that. But it makes it very easy to do. Okay, so we are on 2-2, it seems. Let's see what happens. Okay, we lost that one. Let's see. Take another one. 3 minutes sell. Oh, it is so humid here by us today. It's insane. While that's running, let's look for 1 or 2 actual entries. This is on 1 minute. This is on 5 minutes. Let's see if I can find a 1 or 2 entries as well. So any questions, guys? Please, if you have questions, and it doesn't necessarily need to be AI related. If there's something from one of the previous videos maybe that I can clarify for you, please please don't hesitate to ask. More than happy to help. Take another one. AI is adamant that we're going to drop. This does look good though. We've got a very semi-decent DI spike on the ADX here. But we are nearing the US opening, the opening of the US session. And like I said, guys, there's a lot of data news releases coming today. Please don't get caught off guard. I really suspect we're going to see massive market movement over the next, starting in, it's about 45 minutes, starting in about 45 minutes for about an hour. We're going to see a fairly decent increase in volatility. So no idea what's going to happen though, but I do think we're going to see some massive movement. So please be careful. Don't get caught off guard with this. Okay. All right. So no questions. I think then we've covered AI. I really hope some of you guys go and play a bit with ChatGPT. Like I said, Claude Sonnet is also a good one. That's freely available and popular and in constant development. But you can also, if you're interested, you can actually run AI locally on your machine as well. There's quite a few models available if your hardware can handle it. Looks like we lost both these trades. Indeed. But we do have some divergence setting up here. This is a normal bearish divergence on the 1 minute. I would actually like to do a full trade on this. This is normal bearish divergence. We made a new high. Price made a new high here, but my stochastic didn't make a new high. So normal bearish divergence, that's a sell signal for me. Because it's on a 10-second chart, it will be a 1 minute trade. If it was on a 5 minute chart, I would have taken a 5 minute trade. But it does look like it's going to go badly, maybe not. I love my divergence. Absolutely love trading divergence. It's great. But okay, so guys, I think that's it then. We spoke about AI. If there's no more questions, we'll cut here, and I'll see you guys next week. Until then, yeah, time to stop. It's gonna, I really think it's just gonna start getting more volatile today. Oh, there's the drop now. Thank you. Hope you guys have a good one. Until next time, as always, trade smart, trade safe, and all the best. And I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.